Morning with widespread 20s across central Alabama. Later tonight, though, into Wednesday morning is when we're expecting most of the impact weather to arrive, and that's when we're expecting wind and rain. Most of the severe weather looks to stay well to our south and really highest kind of along the Gulf Coast. So if you've got friends or family down in Mobile or down along the Alabama Gulf Coast, you may want to give them a heads up that they are expecting some severe storms later on tonight into early Wednesday morning. So there'll be some heavy rain, but it's going to be quick moving, so we don't expect much or anticipate much of a flood threat with this system for us here in central Alabama overnight tonight. Enhanced risk for severe storms, including tornadoes down to our south. We'll continue to watch the system overnight. If it looks like instability values may come up a little bit here for a few of our southern counties, it's possible that maybe we get a strong or briefly severe storm for a few of those southern areas, maybe from Maplesville over toward kind of Utah, Greensboro, but it really does look like the highest threat stays south of us. Here's a look at the future cast. So through the day today, no issues. It'll get breezy this afternoon. We'll see an increase in clouds, but we should have a good supply of sunshine for much of the day today. And then we'll start to see that storm system bringing the rain into west and northwest Alabama around 8, 9 o'clock later on tonight. And then heavy rain and wind moving in overnight through early tomorrow morning. You can see how nasty some of those storms look as they move through areas to our south, really from Montgomery on south. 4 a.m. in the morning, we're starting to see some of that heavier rain kind of shifting into East Alabama. We'll have some lingering rain around early on Wednesday morning, but the bulk of it will be shifting to our east and into Georgia with improving conditions on Wednesday. Look at some of these wind gusts, though, a little bit later on tonight. So this is 2 a.m. in the morning, and you can see some of those winds gusting 40, maybe even up to 50 miles an hour, especially in some of the higher elevations. You can see by 4 and 5 o'clock, we're starting to see kind of that corridor of higher wind gusts shifting to the east. It is going to remain breezy much of the day on Wednesday. The wind will come down a little bit once the heaviest rain moves through, but it still stays pretty breezy on Wednesday. So a few sporadic power outages with winds that high. Some significant tree limbs down too, likely, so there'll be a lot of debris on the roads tomorrow morning. It's cold, no way to put it other than that. Freezing cold for many of us. Impact weather comes in tonight with rain and wind, and then we're chilly the rest of the week. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Steph. Time right now is 5:48.